Hey friends, for this activity, go ahead and click on the link and make a copy. Don't forget to put your name in the title and move this to your 4th grade math folder. All right, guys, for this activity, we are going to be comparing decimals and fractions and putting them in order from the smallest to greatest. So I have an example here. You're going to see the two different forms. You're going to see fraction form and standard form for decimals, and we need to decide what order they go in. So here we have 3/10, which we know is smaller than 7/10. But if you think about 3/10 in terms of hundredths, that would be 30 hundredths, right? So 30 would be less than 35. So 3/10 is our smallest. And then we have 35 hundredths would be next. Over here, 7/10 would be the next biggest because that's the same as 70 hundredths, right? And that 7 would be in the tenths place here. And then we have our largest number, which is 76 hundredths. So we've got those 7/10 and 6 more hundredths. So this would be our biggest number. So the thinking that you guys are going to have to do here is making sure that we maybe convert to another form in order to compare. So thinking about this number in terms of hundredths to compare with this one, and doing the same thing with that one. So you guys will have your numbers down below, and then you can put them in order right here in this bar. If you need to use any tools to help you, you can use your tools in your toolbox, or I have the link to Braining Camp right down here on the corner of every slide. Now you will get to some that have a different fraction thrown in here. Here we have 3/4. Now this denominator is not 10 or 100, but we can think about fourths and create equivalent fractions that have a denominator of 100. So we think about this like money, right? 4 quarters makes $1. So 4 groups of 25 make $1. So if we think about that, then if we had 3 quarters, 25, 50, 75, this fraction would equal 75 hundredths. And then you would be able to compare to the rest of these. So we're throwing some fourths in there just to get your brains thinking a little bit. So when you see a fraction that has the denominator of a fourth, think about those as quarters. Okay, how many quarters do we have? I have 25, 50, 75. That's 3 quarters. We have 75 hundredths. Okay, so go ahead and give all the rest of these slides a try. And then when you're done, you can move on to the next activity. Have fun, guys.